In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete weight history on MyFitnessPal. This process helps you manage your health journey effectively. Keeping your weight history accurate is crucial for tracking your progress. Let's get started. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the familiar home screen with your daily food log and exercise tracker. If you are using a smartphone, find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap it to open. If you are using a tablet, look for the same icon and tap it as well. Once the app is launched, you'll be ready to navigate through your weight entries. This step is important because it lays the foundation for the actions that follow. Next, tap the More button, which is represented by three dots located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you tap this button, a new menu will appear, allowing you to access additional features of the app. This area is where you can manage your settings, progress, and other details related to your account. By tapping the More button, you ensure you have access to all the tools needed to modify your weight history. From there, select the Progress tab. Alternatively, you can tap the weight card directly on your main dashboard. The Progress tab is vital as it contains all your recorded weight entries and trends over time. When you select this tab, you'll see a visual representation of your weight changes, which is helpful for tracking your journey. This visual aid makes it easier to understand how your efforts are paying off. Now locate the specific date and weight entry you want to wipe out. Scroll through your weight history until you find the entry you wish to delete. Pay attention to the dates to ensure you select the correct entry. This is important because deleting the wrong entry could lead to confusion in tracking your progress. Once you find the entry you want to remove, you are ready to take the next step. Next up, swipe left directly across the entry if you are using an iOS device. If you are on an Android device, press and hold the entry instead. This action will reveal the delete option, which is essential for removing the unwanted entry. Make sure you are confident about the entry you are deleting. This step is crucial as it directly affects your weight history. After that, confirm the removal when prompted. A confirmation message will usually appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the entry. Take a moment to double-check that this is indeed the entry you wish to remove. Confirming your action ensures that the entry is permanently deleted from your history. This step gives you control over your data and helps maintain accuracy in your weight tracking. With that done, you have successfully deleted the weight entry from your MyFitnessPal history. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your action was successful. Managing your weight data is vital for your health journey, and now you can continue tracking your progress without unnecessary entries. Remember, keeping your records clean helps you stay focused on your goals. Thank you for following along in this tutorial.